Putting an edge on a project helps to clean up all the sides, and it also gets it ready if you're going to add additional border. So it's easy to do. I'm going to do it in a different color so you can see what I'm doing, but you could do it in the same color. So I just put my hook into the first stitch, drape the yarn over, pull it through, and then chain one. Then I work a single crochet in that same stitch. And across. And I'm just working on the swatch that I made of the half double crochets, but you always do the edge with a single crochet. So just work across the top again. Single crochet in every stitch. Okay, now in the last stitch and in the corners I like to put 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, 3 in the corner. That just gives you a nice corner to work on. And if you're going to make a border, it helps keep it square. And then when you get to the side, because this is a half double, you're going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch down the side as evenly as you can. So for single and half double, it's 1 stitch, double would be 2, and treble would have 3 stitches. So here's my first row. Just insert the hook into the stitch and do another single crochet. The next row, just kind of push it in between the stitch. Sometimes it can be tricky. There's my next row, so another one. You just keep working single crochets evenly down the side. There's the next row. You can see I'm just kind of pushing it through the center of the last stitch. Okay, the last one on this side. And you do 3 in the corner, which is going to be in the first chain from the beginning of your project. So 1, 2, 3, and then you work in each chain another single crochet. all the way around all four sides of the little swatch, putting 3 in each corner. Okay, to the end, so I'm going to put 3 in the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, and then I work up the other side. And when I get to this end, I'm going to put 2 more single crochets in this corner because we already had the 1. And in my last stitch, I worked all the way around. I'm going to go into the same stitch as the first single crochet and do 2 more. So there's 3 in the corner. And then you're going to join it with a slip stitch into the first single crochet you made. You go in, yarn over, pull it through, and then pull it through the loop on your hook. And then you can fasten off and weave in your ends. And you can see how much cleaner it looks now with an edge. And if I was going to put a border on it, now I have nice stitches to follow to put a nice border.